Hi, this is the second part of the video. Word problem related to sine or cosine function. Use the following to model simple harmonic motion. D equal to A sine BT, D equal to A cosine BT. So you have choices of choosing either sine or cosine. D means displacement from resting position. T is time. So if you haven't watched my first part of the video, please watch that first. So it's referring this information. So in word problem, they are saying this y value is a displacement. Displacement from the resting position. Resting position is middle position. So if it goes up, it's apart from middle position by so much. That distance, they are expressing that as a d. Here we use that as y, but in this word problem you're using d instead of y. T is a time, so here we are using x or theta for x-axis here. In this word problem we are using that as a t as a time. So after a certain time, where's the displacement? So exactly same logic applies to this information for this question. Start from the middle position, you want to consider sine. Going up, sine. Going down, minus sine. If you start from the maximum or minimum, you want to consider applying cosine. Start from the maximum, then cosine. Start from the minimum, then you want to consider minus cosine. I already explained that to you. Again, recap here. Take a look at it. Same thing. I already recapped it. An object moves in a simple harmonic motion with a period 5 seconds. Okay, super important. Period 5 seconds. And amplitude 6 centimeter. Amplitude is 6. Super important as well. At time t equal to 0 second, its displacement d from rest is 0 centimeter. Very, very important. They said when t equal to 0, d equal to 0. What does that mean? 0, 0. T value, d value. They are telling you it's passing the origin. So right then, you should know. It should be either this one or this one. So in sine. Now, matter of is it going up or going down? So because that's a sine x, that's minus sine x. And initially it moves in a negative direction. It tells you it's gonna go down. So you should know this is a case. Start from the 0, 0. It's shooting down first. So you should know this is sine with a minus in front of it. So right then, how to know y equal to a sine bx, that's what you are looking for, but a value will have a minus in it. Give the equation modeling the displacement d as a function of time t. Okay, so amplitude is 6. Amplitude is 6, so you write 6 here because amplitude is absolute value of a. So if you take absolute value of minus 6, it becomes 6. That is amplitude. All you have to do is find the b value. Again, b value is related with the period. Period formula is 2 pi over b, which is equal to period. Period they said is 5, so let that equal to 5. This is a period formula equal to period. So for b, 2 pi over b is equal to 5. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. So for b, cross multiplication, this times this equal to this times this. 2 pi times 1 equal to 5 times b. Solving for b, divide by 5, divide by 5, nothing you can simplify here. Value of b is equal to 2 pi over 5. Okay, we needed b value, which we just calculated. 2 pi over 5 times x, put a parenthesis, and that is your answer. Minus 6, yes. Okay, you should be ready for your Alex homework. I will see you guys for next week lesson.